Retopology is such a long and difficult process for those who are new with it. And it takes a very long time to learn it if you didn't find some good tutorials. So today I want to give you some tips and tricks that how to do it in very short time. Normally it takes more than around 5 hours depend on your skills and experience to retopologize a full character. But I know a way in which you can do it in less than 1 hour instead of 5 hours. Sound interesting? So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the main parts of learning retopology. So there are two main parts. The one is tool and tricks and the second is the flow of topology. So I want to mention that my flow of topology is not very good. So for the flow of topology you need to follow some reference or any other retopology video. In this video I will just talk about the tricks and tools that how to do it very fast. So let's talk about the tool first. So here I have a simple character that I am working on. So first of all we need to add a plane. So shift A and then go to plane and then grab it up, rotate it X with 90 degree, go to the front view, zoom in dot to focus on it and then scale it down, something like this. Now we need to turn on some of the options that are available here. So first of all we need to turn on the snap tool. So click on it, then go here and make this one to face and only tick on this option and also enable these rotate and scale. Now we need one more option that we need to go to the modifier Shrink-Wrap, then click on this one, pick it and here we go. Now go to the edit mode and select all. Okay, make sure that it's selected. If we go to the wireframe so we can see it that it's selected, go to solid view again and G to grab and let's make it there. So now we need to add a loop cut. So Control R, then add and right click to make it with default place. Okay, now we need to delete this side. So select it with left click and then delete vertex. Now simply add a mirror modifier and select it and then grab it there. We need to turn on the clipping to clip it, and now if we try it, it will work. So now we need these tools and we need to make some loops. Okay, so I will show you the loops that how to add it. Okay, I already retopologized this character, so let me show you where you need to add the loops. Okay, okay, there we have. So here is a simple trick that I did it in less than 1 hour, that you need to just add these loops. Okay, so first of all you need to add a loops around the mouth, then around the nose, around the eyes, and then make this loop, then around the ears, around the neck, around the arms, at this place, at the hands, at the feet. Okay, and one you need around there at the center. Okay, the center one will goes here up to here. Okay, and then down we need one at here and one at here, and when we done it, then the interesting thing is that you need to just select this side and then this side and then press F3, then bridge edge loop. Okay, so you just need to click on it and it will automatically fill it, and then you just need to add some loops. Okay, so let me show you with an example. I will delete some of the places here. So let me go to the wireframe first, go to circle, select, and okay, so select it, and then I will delete it, X faces. Okay, so it's now deleted. Because of the shrink wrap modifier, it's shrink to the body, so we just need to select this one, then hold down the shift, then double click to select this one, and then press F3, search for bridge edge loop, and we are done with it. As you can see, it's automatically filled. All we need to do is just to add some loop cuts with Control R, something like this, a few more, and there we get the full retopology by just adding this. Okay, so first of all, just add these loops and then just fill it. Okay, so that's how I did it in less than 1 hour. Maybe my flow of topology is very young, so don't tell me in comments that these things you have error in this thing, in this thing. I'm just experiencing it, but I know this trick, and it's really helpful, and it make it more fun and in more short way. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel for more interesting videos. And for now, bye.